I love the bridge from Pandora to Africa. Just a little pixie dust. Africa is full of so much theming. I love it. And here's the view from the other side of the gate. That is so cool. And I promise you, I have never stopped and noticed it before, and this is only like my, what, 7th or 8th trip to Disney's Animal Kingdom.
This trip, he's done trading for that one.
This is as close to the birds as I want to get. Let's see if it's 30 minutes. That was very refreshing and very needed for the middle of the day. I'm glad I did it. I guess it's snack time. I think I'm getting too old for this shit. It is only 3:30 and I am headed out of the park. I have done everything I wanted to do. I have been here since 7:30. I'm exhausted. So I'm just gonna head on out. But I did get to ride Everest twice and I rode Dinosaur twice. Goodbye, Animal Kingdom. Goodbye, Tree of Life.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!